If you're an integrator or a consultant right now, you are sitting on a gold mine. You know your client's system inside out, systems like Sen7, ServiceTitan, or ServiceMate. And with AI, you've probably realized you can easily write some custom code, build a custom app, and collect that sweet, sweet monthly recurring revenue. But don't do it. If you build custom apps the way that most people do right now, you're walking into a massive trap. It will destroy your time and it will kill your margins. Today, I'm going to show you exactly why clients churn when you build apps for them. Stick around and I'll give you a 4-step playbook. You'll get recurring revenue, make your clients super sticky, and never have to wake up at 2 a.m. to fix a broken server. Look, vibe coding is here. You can prompt an AI and build a custom order entry interface in like 60 seconds. It is cheap and it is fast. If it's easy for you to code it, it's going to be incredibly easy for your client to code it. And believe me, they will. I might show my age here, but think about the Excel wizards back in 2010. They built these crazy spreadsheets with macros and they charged a fortune for them. But nobody builds massive business selling spreadsheets today. Eventually, the client learned how to do it themselves, or they hired an intern to do it. If you build hard-coded AI software for your clients today, they will eventually want to build their own. Or worse, you have to customize it for 5 different clients. Suddenly, you are not an integrator anymore. You are a tech support guy, juggling 5 different versions of messy code. There is a way out of this, but it means doing the exact opposite of what you think you should do. Before we get to the playbook, let me level with you. I do run a software company. We built a platform called Wink Toolbox, and I can already hear the comments. Johan, you just want us to use your software? Well, duh, yeah, of course, I do. But I'm sharing these industry secrets for a reason. Whether you use Wink or another platform, you need a platform approach. As software guys, we know what happens after you write the code. What happens when Sen7 updates their API on a Friday night and all of your apps break? What happens if the app writes the wrong data and messes up 50 grand worth of stock? Are you liable? Are you SOC 2 certified? Writing code is the easiest 5% of software. Security, hosting, maintenance make up the other 95%. And you don't want any part of that. So how do you capture the revenue without taking on the nightmare? You stop trying to corner the AI revolution. You start enabling it. Don't be the guy hoarding the code. Be the strategic advisor who hands them the keys. So here's the exact 4-step playbook using a middleware platform. Step 1, find a middleware that handles the heavy lifting. I mean, I obviously think Wink is the best for this. We handle the SOC 2 security, the ISO certifications, the API updates, and the hosting. Step 2, you build the custom app as a template inside that platform. Again, in Wink, you can literally vibe code this in 60 seconds. Step 3, and this is the magic. You sell that platform and template combo to your client, but you teach them how to vibe code the tweaks they want. When they want a button moved or a new field added, you empower them to do it safely within the platform. And step 4, this is the nice one. You collect the recurring revenue without ever waking up at 2 a.m. to fix a broken server. So by doing this, you step up from just being an integrator. You become their strategic tech advisor, their AI advisor. So if you want to build this way, we have a partner program at Wink. And if you're sitting on a killer app idea that you want to scale out, to all your clients, then get in touch. We do special partnerships to help you do exactly that. All the details are in the description below. And remember, it's not magic, it's Wink.